Did you know that 443,000 people die from smoking each year in the United States? I've tried quitting smoking cigarettes a numerous amount of times, and it works for a short period of time. Then I find myself around one of my friends and I am weak and give in. My parents and family members have all smoked and quit, so I know it is very possible. The essence of my speech is to further inform myself and others how dirty and bad smoking is and finally quit for good. Smoking is a very dirty habit. It is also a very expensive habit, and it causes many health problems. Cigarettes turn your teeth yellow, they cause bad breath, and they also cause you to have a dry mouth. When you smoke cigarettes, you smell like a cigarette all day, and it also makes your car smell like cigarettes if you smoke in a car. Cigarettes are very expensive. They're $8 a pack, and depending on how often you smoke, it adds up very quickly. You could save so much money by quitting or by not smoking. The health risks, there are very many of them. The death rate from smoking, like I said before, is 443,000 deaths yearly just in the United States. 1 in 5 deaths from the United States is caused from smoking. Many types of cancers are caused by smoking, and respiratory diseases are also caused by smoking. Smoking also damages your airway. There are so many reasons to quit smoking, but there are 3 that stand out to me. The health risks, how dirty of a habit it is, and how expensive smoking is also. All this research on smoking cigarettes has taught me that I need to quit and better my life, my health, and save money. Going more in depth for the health risks, smoking causes coronary heart disease, the leading cause of death in the United States. Cigarette smoking causes reduced circulation by narrowing the blood vessels and puts smokers at risk of developing vascular disease. Smoking causes abdominal aneurysms, weakening the main artery in the body, the aorta, where it runs through the abdomen. Smoking harms nearly every organ in the body and diminishes a person's overall health. Millions of Americans have health problems caused by smoking. Smoking is a leading cause of cancer and death from cancer. It causes cancers of the lung, esophagus, larynx, mouth, throat, kidney, bladder, pancreas, stomach, and cervix, as well as the acute myeloid leukemia. Smoking also causes heart disease, stroke, aortic aneurysms, which is a balloon-like bulge in the artery in the chest, hip fractures, cataracts. Smokers are also at higher risks of developing pneumonia and other airway infections. A pregnant smoker is at risk of having their baby born too early and with an abnormally low birth rate. A woman who smokes during or after pregnancy increases her infant's risk of death from sudden infant death syndrome, also known as SIDS. Men who smoke are at greater risk of erectile dysfunction. Cigarette smoking and exposure to tobacco smoke causes more than 440 premature deaths each year in the United States. Of these premature deaths, about 40% are from cancer, 35% are from heart disease and stroke, and 25% are from lung disease. Smoking is the leading cause of premature, preventable death in this country. Regardless of their age, smokers can substantially reduce their risk of disease, including cancer, by quitting. These are just some of the reasons and diseases that can be caused by cancer and that you should stop smoking. I hope that all this information has given all you smokers out there a reason to stop smoking. It definitely has for me.